equation of a circle and tangents. When we're looking at the general form of an equation of a circle, it's in the form of x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So if we look at an example of a circle where the centre of our circle is 0, 0, and we have here a radius of 4, the equation of this circle will be x squared plus y squared equals 16, because r squared equals 16 if the radius is 4. If we were looking at a tangent to this circle, so a tangent is a straight line that touches the edge of your circle. So let's consider we have a tangent that touches the edge of our circle at coordinate 3, 5. And we want to find the equation of that tangent. Now that tangent is a straight line and it will be in the form of y equals mx plus c. So as with all y equals mx plus c questions, our starting point is to find the gradient. The problem is we only know one set of coordinates that lie on that straight line. We need a minimum of 2 coordinates that lie on a straight line to find the gradient. Understanding our circle theorems tells us that a tangent meets the radius at 90 degrees, which makes our tangent perpendicular to the radius. So we can work out the gradient of the radius because it passes through 0, 0 and 3, 5. So the gradient of our radius is the change in y over the change in x, which leaves us with a gradient of 5 over 3. Now if you're unsure of perpendicular gradients, please go back and watch our video on perpendicular lines. We then want to find the gradient of that perpendicular line, which is the negative reciprocal of the original gradient. So if the original gradient is 5 over 3, the negative reciprocal of that is minus 3 over 5. So now our tangent's equation is coming together. That's y equals minus 3 over 5x plus c. Remember, this tangent passes through the coordinates 3, 5. So we have 2 known values. We know a value of x and we know a value of y. So what we can do now is substitute. When y is 5, x is 3. So 5 equals minus 3 over 5 times 3 is minus 9 over 5. So we're going to add that over to the other side. That's 5 plus 9 over 5 equals c. Recap your fractions. 5 over 1 plus 9 over 5. Same denominators, times that by 5. 25 over 5 plus 9 over 5. That's 34 over 5 is our value for c. So the equation of our tangent is y equals minus 3 over 5x plus 34 over 5. To tidy this up, if necessary, you can just leave your answer like that, but we might want to multiply this entire equation by 5 to give us 5y equals minus 3x plus 34. That is also an acceptable form of your equation. These two things mean exactly the same. We've just tidied it up and got rid of the fraction.